Hey guys, welcome back to Florida Girl Talk. So today we have another DIY. So this time I've already labeled the top. Let me show you. It says disinfectant wipes. And it's super easy. Oh, and if you see me wearing the same clothes, if you're on my other channel, which is Eat with Kitty, right here. That is my mukbang eating channel. So I am wearing the same clothes. I just got done filming a video on that channel. But let's get to this one. So this is the most easiest, simplest disinfectant wipes you can make yourself at home. It'll save you tons of money. Instead of buying the actual wipes, you can use either the Pine Sol, you can use Mr. Clean. I think he has a cleaning one. You can use Lysol. I don't know if Lysol and Mr. Clean are the same. Or you can use Fabuloso or the Dollar Tree brand. It doesn't matter. You can use any type of multi-surface cleaner. I prefer the ones that say kills 99.9% of germs. So I am using Pine Sol today. I already have a half a cup in here, and this came from another bottle. Obviously this one's still brand new. I go through that like crazy because I use it to mop my floors. I prefer the old school scent. It reminds me of when I was little. Oh, and this is paper towels, Bounty. And what we do is we cut them. This might be Viva because we have Bounty now. But anyways, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what brand. You do want to get a good quality brand, either Viva, I think that's the name, or Bounty. Any of those good thick ones, because the really cheap, dollar ones, those might just destroy in here. So the hardest part is getting it in here. And obviously I have cut one roll in half for it to fit inside here. See, it's the same height. Put some elbow grease in there. There we go. I prefer the round ones because it just makes more sense. It fits perfectly. So I like to get the center. Oh, and I already removed, I'm like all over the place with this video, you guys. I already removed the inside of the paper towel roll thingy. So I get the middle and I have it ready like that. And then you go ahead and you pour, let me see, half a cup should be enough. If not, I'll just add more. So I start pouring at the top, do a little bit in the center, and just work my way around. I like to do it not diluted, because I just want it to be strong. And it looks like half a cup was not enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and open a new one. I'm gonna add another cup, half a cup. Yep, so I got half a cup here. And yeah, I didn't go all the way through. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour the other half and let's see where that goes. I made a video, if you guys go, if you have not, if you're new to this channel, then just scroll down to my older videos, and you will see the DIY disinfectant. That one was made with like all natural ingredients. I think it's gonna be 1.5 cups total. And this time I'm gonna pull the paper towel in and just go like that to get it towards the bottom. I'm gonna get all the way through the middle. So I made a hole in the middle and I got it in there. Now we're talking. So let me show you guys up close. You see that it's a little bit in the bottom, and it's in there all around, all the way through. That's it for the making it. Now let me demonstrate to you guys how it works. So you just pull from the inside, and I have the ones that cut in like half sheets, so that's why they cut like this. So you just get it out and wipe away. And this is perfect because I just ate, like I said, I just did a mukbang, so it's good to disinfect the table. And I like to disinfect the chairs every now and then, the areas that you touch. Like that. And where you sit. It is very important to do every now and then. The ledge underneath the table. Sometimes we touch that. And that's it. Let me move the chair. I don't want to sit on it until it's dry. So there you have it. That was the quick. Let me pull one more out to finish the table once I get off here. And you guys seen how easy that was? We got disinfectant wipes in under like what, I don't know, total around 5 minutes more or less. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever tried this or if you think it's a great idea. And yeah, you can use these to clean your bathrooms, kitchen, dining room, anything. Any mess that you have to clean up real quick disinfecting areas. And yeah. So again, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, hit like. And I realized I cut my hands. Alright guys, so that was it. I will see you guys in the next